Hello, investors and traders. It's Brian here, and I'm coming to you today from candlecharts.com. There's another spotlight we've got. This one is, we've titled it Candles and the Market Direction. The other day we had about reversals. This is going to be about the market direction. Flip to our risk disclosure, always found at candlecharts.com/disclosure. Again, this talks about the risks of trading any type of security, so please make sure you understand those risks prior to placing any trades. I'm going to flip over to my new screen here, and there we go. So we talked about UTX the other day, and of course UTX had been bought out. Now there was a nice potential signal there of the market that was making a bounce in direction and reversing. So it had come down and we were looking at it going back up. Well, this is RTX. So RTX and UTX, there was a bit of a funny little merger buyout there. And so now we'd want to be looking at more RTX. So this is about a year later. And this is some of the interesting bits. So it was around here that we were looking at UTX, and we did go up. But now we look at it and say, well, why didn't it keep going? Well, the trend was changing. Now, there's a couple of things we want to consider here. And again, moving averages were very much going sideways. They're very, very tight together. That's why we like some Western indicators. But now we start to look at the candles. And again, we start to look at the candle. Okay, we get a little bit of red, but we're not getting too excited yet. And we cross underneath the moving averages. We've got falling window turning into a bear separating line. Boom. We are looking at candle signals and candle patterns that we would really want to be taking notice of. We had negative signals. So we weren't just retesting back to a potential support area. In fact, we had a falling window, we fell through it, and then we started to keep on going. There's our 200 period moving average, indicating again, we got underneath it, and again, we dropped down and we did a retest, and then we continued to fall in the down direction. So when we look for direction of the market, and this is the market direction that I'm talking about here, moving averages 10 and 20, they cross to the downside. We are now trending in the down direction. So yes, we came down to another potential support here, and this is the UTX-RTX combination, and we did have a bounce, and we came up to a point of possible resistance, 200 period moving average, and then we continued in the same direction. Wasn't that an easy trade to make? And then you start to see all of this lower shadow here, and we start to get a little bit suspicious that maybe the market wants to reverse. And it took a bit of time, but we chopped back in the up direction. Again, we did another retest of the 200 period moving average. Now, why would I want to show you all of that good information? Well, this is exactly, and I just want to share my screen back onto, here we go. Show you here, and we'll just clean the screen off there. Come to mycandlecharts.com. Check us out. We have got every day of the week, Monday to Friday, we post a lot of good information that tells you and shows you how to read the candles for high probability trades and trade setups. Nothing is infallible, nothing. But again, if you can read the candles, you can understand what the market psychology is doing, the supply and the demand, what direction, what's the market really thinking? If we're still underneath those moving averages that are in the down trending direction, then we need to have a little bit more patience, and we just need to look for, again, the snapback, the reversal back into the down direction. We talk about this every day, Monday to Friday at mycandlecharts.com on our daily recap strategy sessions. We've got Forex, we talk about options, and a lot more. We have so much information packed in here. This is so well worth it. If you just want to find 1, 2, maybe even 3 good trades, even a quarter, but if you found 2 or 3 good trades a quarter, you would be finding your trading much easier. So come and join us at mycandlecharts.com. Check us out right now at www.mycandlecharts.com. Check us out now and see how we can help you make easier trades. You can follow us, and then you'll start to understand the candle patterns much easier. Wishing you all the best with your trading, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.